back again to my channel, Cooking with Eva Blight. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Kumusta na po kayong lahat? Sana excited kayo ngayon sa lulutuin natin. Hindi ko po patagalin. Magluluto po tayo ngayon ng banana bread in my version. And I hope you will try to make this. It's so easy. You know, masarap at madaling lutuin. As usual. Okay. Pero wag niyo pong kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Hope don't forget to like and subscribe of my videos. Thank you again for watching my previous videos. I really appreciate it. Alright, let's get started. Alright, here is our recipe. 4 bananas. 4 bananas. There are 4, okay? Then, 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 stick of butter, and I just put a little of walnut. I'm out of, no, this is almond. I'm out of walnut, so I just use almond. You can use chocolate chips, you know, chocolate for baking. You can use that one. It's up to you. And a half teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of milk. Alright, that's all we need. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first we have to, let me move this a little bit. You need to peel the banana. You need to smash the banana. Okay. You know, this kind of dessert is really good. And I love it. And it's healthy. Come on. Oh my goodness. There you go. Alright. Let's move this. Okay. Now, we have to cut this little pieces para madaling, durugin. Now we need to smash the banana. Okay, we're almost done smashing the banana. Alright, let's leave this way. Now we can do the eggs. Make it scramble. Okay. All we need to do is to mix everything. Okay, so easy. Okay, this one is ready. Now, let's do the butter. This is a room temperature, by the way. Stick of butter. We don't need to put salt in our banana because this is already salted butter. So that's enough. We don't need to add more salt on it. Okay. Okay, now we can put this in our banana. Okay. Small this one. And mix it first. Let's use the rest. Okay, now we're going to put the what do you call this one? The flour. Just mix it well. You know, if you want vanilla flavor, you can put too if you want to. It's your choice. You can put anything you want, vanilla flavor, or you know, what do you call this one? If you wanna use walnut, you can use walnut. You can use chocolate chips, or right now I really like to use walnut, but right now I'm out, so I have to use almond. You can put only a little. You don't need to put a lot. We just need to put the almond at the top of the banana. That's all we need to do. Oil first. Okay, now let's put the eggs. Mix it well. Oh, I have to remove this. Gas. And okay, let's continue to mix it well. Now we can put the milk. Let's put everything. Okay, then we're going to put the sugar after this. Let me mix it first. Now the sugar. And by the way, the temperature of the stove to bake the banana bread is 375. We're going to bake this for 45 minutes to 50. Okay. Okay, let me turn on the stove first. Let's mix this well. Smells good. See. Script natin kasi sayang. Okay. Haluin mo lang mabuti. Ayan na. Okay, let's put this aside first in a minute because we're going to prepare the baking pan, and then with the baking pan, we're going to spray oil or butter on it. Okay, so that when we put the banana bread, it won't stick. Okay. All right. This is my baking pan. I don't know what size is this, but we just use one baking pan, and then I'm using this butter to spray the baking pan. Just a little, you know, yeah, just like that. Okay, let's wait when the oven is ready. Let's continue mixing this. Okay, now we can pour this. Let's pour all of this. You just use one baking pan. Ooh, I hope it won't overflow though. I thought one pan is enough, but it looks like a lot. Please don't overflow. Cross my finger. Okay. Scrape it. Now, we can put the almond at the top of the banana. Looks so pretty. Like it. I'm just hoping that this won't overflow though. Okay. Looks nice, right? The oven is ready, so we have to put this one now, and then we put the timer. Like I said earlier, it's 375, the temperature of the oven, and then we can bake this to 40 to 40, yeah. Oh, and no, 45 to 50 minutes, or you can do 40 to 45 minutes. It's up to you. If you want more darker, you can do, you know, for 50 minutes. But let's try to do 40 to 45 minutes first, and then it's not really brown, we can do until 50 minutes, okay? All right, right back. Or you can see me putting this in the oven. Oh wow, oh my god, it's so hot. There you go. Well, we're right. All right, the banana bread is done. It beeps already. Okay, let me take it out. Once you can. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Let me take it out. Oh, there. Oh, wow. Ooh, look at that. Wow. It's almost overflow. My advice, don't do what I did, okay? Use 2 baking pans or bigger than this one. All right? Okay. This is our banana bread. Let's cool it down and then we will slice. All right? Be right back. Looks nice though. So pretty. Pretty. So yummy. All right. Our banana cake is cooled down now and it's ready to slice. Let's see. Looks pretty, right? Look at that. Looks so nice. Okay, let me slice it. And let's try to eat it. Okay, I did 15 minutes, alright? But please don't do what I did, that I just used 1 baking pan. please use larger than this one, or use 2 baking pan same size like this. Don't use 1 like what I did. Okay. All right. Let's see. My hands is clean. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. I thought it's already I thought it's already cooled down all the way, but it's not. Only the top. Oh boy. Hold on. How am I gonna do this? Like that? Ding dong. Okay. Oh, look what I did. But let me fix it. Fix it! Fix it! Yeah! Okay. There you go. Right, let's remove that one. Okay, now we can slice. And let's try it. Oh wow. Smell good. Like I said, you can use walnut if you want to, and you can use banana. Vanilla too. Ow! Too hot. Okay. Ding dong. Alright. Look at that piece. It's not burnt, huh? Just about right. Okay, let's taste it. This does it. It's good. Not so sweet. Just use 3/4 cups of brown sugar, okay? It's good. Like it. It's good when you eat this banana bread and then drink coffee in the morning. Oh wow. Good combination. Alright. Once again, thank you so much for watching my entire videos. Hope you enjoy and you will cook as well. And you can share this to your friends and loved ones. Okay. Until next time. Thank you again. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright? Thank you.